Hi students, welcome to 165 GTS chemistry classes. This is Jayaram, your chemistry faculty. In last class, we complete the discussion on Bohr's atomic model and its applications. And here, one more application we have to discuss. That is nothing but the explanation of Bohr's model for hydrogen spectrum. So in this class, let us discuss on the hydrogen spectrum, how it is formed and what are different spectral lines that we can observe in hydrogen spectrum. All these details we have to complete. Clear? Before entering into hydrogen spectrum, first of all, you should be able to understand what is spectrum and how many kinds it is. And thereafter, we will enter into hydrogen spectrum. Clear? And first of all, let me explain what is spectrum. Actually, spectrum is nothing but an impression or image. An impression or image that is recorded by passing the radiation. Radiation is nothing but electromagnetic radiation or light through a prism or grating. Prism or grating. Prism is nothing but crystalline substance like calcium carbonate, or else it is nothing but like diamond appearance. When the light is passed through that prism, already you know one nickel prism, CaCO3 crystalline. Like that, through the prism or grating, we are passing the light, and that light after coming out of this will split into different lines like this parts. Now this light is made to fall on a spectrographic plate. Spectrographic plate. Now that impression which is created on this spectrographic plate, when the light is passed through a prism and is made to fall on this spectrographic plate, is known as spectrum. An impression or image that is recorded when the light is passed through a prism and is made to fall on a spectrographic plate. That impression or image is known as spectrum. Now, this spectrum, depending on the type of light, this spectrum is majorly classified into two kinds. Just you remember, both these two are having the same characteristic features. That is, all the properties like wavelength, frequency or energy associated, wave number, all these features are same. The only difference is that is, or same means that is nothing but they are exhibiting the same trends. But the only difference is depending on the type of light. Here two types of light you can observe. One is nothing but emitted light. Hence the first spectrum is nothing but emission spectrum. Emission spectrum. And the second kind is nothing but absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum. And the difference between these two is majorly here bright lines are formed on dark background, whereas in case of background and here in case of absorption spectrum, dark lines are formed on bright background. That is the difference, major difference between these two. Why this is happening? Simply, this emitted line possesses the radiation which is creating the impression on the spectrographic plate, and whereas absorption line missing the radiation. Let me explain these two. Here, if any light, say for example, white light. Actually, you know, white light is nothing but what we are able to visualize with our naked eye. It is nothing but a combination of different wavelengths that range from 3800 angstrom units to 7600 angstrom units. Already you know this from the characteristic features of electromagnetic radiation related to visible part of the light. Is it not? So now wavelength when present in between these two, that light is white light or visible part of the light. Now when it is passed through the prism, it will split into different colors like this. And already you know very familiar with this one, it is nothing but VGR. So all these lines will create the impression on the spectrographic plate when we are passing this white light through the prism and is made to fall on the spectrographic plate. Clear? And here these lines present, they are bright because they are present. Now, in the same way, if before directly passing this white light through the prism, if we are making this white light, here again, this is white light, and it is first of all allowed to go through some material. It is nothing but not the prism directly. Here, white light is made to pass through some gaseous material. And these gaseous material or gases will absorb some part of the light to make their electron to get excited. Are you following? And now this white light, what is actually the combination in this white light? It is nothing but big GR. Just for your understanding purpose, I am taking this visible part. Okay. And now when this GR white light is passed through gases, just imagine if sorry, blue light is absorbed and orange light is absorbed and one more yellow light is also absorbed, and that absorption is nothing but depending on the nature of the gas and the requirement of the energy. Whatever the energy it requires to excite, that energy related wavelengths will be absorbed. Clear? Now after this absorption, the light is coming out, and this light after certain radiation absorbed from it is known as absorbed light. And here just you remember, absorbed light is nothing but the light which is of having blue or yellow and orange which are absorbed. After that absorption, the remaining part is now known as absorbed light. Don't confuse between these two. In case if light is absorbed, that absorbed radiation is considered as the absorbed light, then we can't create any spectral light, because when all the light is absorbed, there is no more radiation to pass through the prism. Is it not? So now after absorption, the remaining part is now, that is nothing but the light radiation is suffered. What is that suffering? Absorption. After some sort of radiation absorbed, the remaining part is now known as absorbed light. Clear? And now this absorbed light, what are the radiation, that is wavelengths that can present, that can imagine in this one? Can you guess? Yes, it is only violet will be there, indigo will be there, but blue will be missing because it is absorbed. Then green will present, and then yellow and orange are missing, but only red is present. So now when this light which is of having these only passed through prism and is made to fall on photographic plate, it will appear only with these four. The remaining, here for your convenience sake, let me give. Here it is missing. Here, no, this is not. Let me write. For your understanding purpose, just let me draw this. Here, this is nothing but absorbed light. Absorbed light means after absorption, the remaining part of the light. In this one, As per our assumption, the radiation which is present is only violet is there, indigo is there, but blue is missing because it is absorbed. And then green is there, and then yellow and orange. These two are missing. And again, red color is there. And how we can observe this? Simply by passing this through a prism and is made to fall on the surface of the spectrographic plate. Then this indigo will present, violet will present, green will present, and red will present. The remaining, that is nothing but this one missing, this one missing, and this one missing. The missing will be observed as the dark light. When light is not there, automatically darkness will be there. So like that, these missing lines we can observe as dark lines. When they miss, there is no light. But here, all the lines are present. Thereby they are creating brightness. I think you observe, you are able to understand difference. Only what you have to keenly observe is absorbed light is not the absorbed wavelengths. After certain wavelengths absorbed, the remaining part of the light is absorbed light. Why it is called as absorbed light? Because it suffered from the absorption. Certain wavelengths from that light is absorbed. It is nothing but wounded light. Line is there. After suffering with some wounds, it is known as wounded line. Clear? Here also absorbed light after absorption. Now, with this radiation, when it is emitted radiation, if the spectrum is created, emission spectrum, with the absorbed radiation, if spectrum is created, it is absorption spectrum. Are you clear? Now, all these lines, that is bright lines, whatever the characteristic features they are possessing, the same will be observed with the dark lines also. You have to consider the same characteristic features when they appear in the same zone. Clear? But here in our study, we are discussing about the emission lines, emission spectrum. Why? Because we can observe that releasing light, that is nothing but the formation of the spectral line with our consideration, that is experimentally we can observe it. Instead of missing line study, better to study the forming, that is the brightness forming lines. That's why emission spectrum we have to study. And now, after considering this energy source, when the spectrum is classified into two kinds, let us continue the remaining classification. Again, spectrum. Now you are in a position to understand it is two kinds. One is emission spectrum, and in this emission spectrum, bright lines are formed. Bright lines on dark background. Okay, and now in this case, here it is absorption spectrum. In absorption spectrum, dark lines are formed on bright background. And now when we are having the idea that both these two lines will have the same characteristic features, whatever we are studying this emission spectrum, the same you can apply for the absorption spectrum also. No need to study twice. Clear? And here the emission spectrum classification. So as the same absorption spectrum classification will also be. Okay? And this emission spectrum is classified into two kinds. Not only emission, that can also be in the same manner classified. One is nothing but continuous spectrum. continuous spectrum. That is, all the wavelengths will present in this. Best example is white light, which is nothing but a combination of WIPGR. In this white light, all the radiation, that is the light when passed through prism, and it will be creating all these lines one after the other in a systematic manner in the increasing or decreasing of wavelengths. WIPGR. Clear? No line is missing. That is known as continuous line. Next one is discontinuous spectrum. Discontinuous spectrum. And this discontinuous spectrum is again classified into two kinds. One is nothing but band spectrum, and the other one is line spectrum. This band spectrum is due to molecules. Due to molecules. And first of all, this continuous spectrum is due to solids. Solids will create this continuous spectrum, and discontinuous spectrum is because of gases. Just you remember. And here this discontinuous spectrum, band spectrum, it is due to molecules, hence known as molecular spectrum. Molecular spectrum. Here, the bunch of lines, very closely packed spectral lines we can observe like this. It is not a single line, very closely packed different spectral lines. Like a band it will appear. And now coming to this line spectrum, it is due to atoms. These may be from noble gases, because noble gases are monoatomic gases, or metal vapors. All these are atomic state of the non-metals. All these will create this line spectrum. Here, distinct, discrete lines will present. Distinct discrete lines will present. These are, that is nothing but simply we can say well defined lines. Separately you can observe well defined lines are appearing in this line spectrum. As it is formed because of atoms, it is also known as atomic spectrum. It is known as atomic spectrum. Discrete lines, well-defined lines are present in this. It is nothing but like this, not a bunch of lines. It will separately present like this. Are you clear? So the same type of classification, that is continuous, discontinuous, and again discontinuous, band and line, all these are appearing in this absorption spectrum also. The only difference is in emission spectrum, light is emitted light, whereas in absorption spectrum, light is absorbed light. Clear? And now we have to consider, we have to study this line spectrum of hydrogen, that too from emission. That is, our study in this class is emission spectrum of hydrogen atom. When it is from hydrogen atom, simply we can say that it is nothing but atomic spectrum of hydrogen. That atomic spectrum is by the source of emitted light. Clear? How it is created? What are the lines present? Now,